Hello everyone, welcome to ARTMIND. This channel is a video series for installing ARTMIND, consciousness to art, in your brain. In this episode, we're gonna talk about Martin Roth. I'm Utaro by the way, so let's get started. Martin Roth is an Austrian artist who was born in Graz in 1977. He's known for artworks using living organisms like a bird, goldfish, fly, corn, and lavender. He's so cool. In 2017, he made an artwork titled, "In May 2017, I cultivated a piece of land in Midtown Manhattan due to budgets." I know you might think it's too long. Okay then, please forgive me Mr. Roth to make it short. Let's call it here, the Lavender Field. Looking at the Lavender Field carefully, we'll notice that this place is not outside, but strangely inside the room. Roughly speaking, there are 3 points there. Number 1. Social media. As you might notice, there are lights on the ceiling. It's glow lights corresponding to social media, Twitter. The number of tweets by people around President Trump directly connects with the strength of light. Roth made a system that politically biased tweets make the lights bright. Number 2. Politics. Basically, lavender itself doesn't have to do with the human-made political situation, but Roth combined nature and politics. As you know, lavender has anxiolytic effects. Namely, the lavender which is grown by political anxiety makes you relax, paradoxically. Number 3. Doomsday. There is no window in this place. Considering some elements like President Trump, anxiolytic effects, and no window, you may see the place as a bunker. It seems like Roth alludes an upcoming doomsday in this installation. Although we've been watching the Lavender Field, why Roth in the first place here? It's because Roth meets 3 conditions of art for human. Art for human number 1. Critique. People often misunderstand critique as a negation, but critique has a constructive opinion for making it better. Roth suggests doomsday, at the same time he probably tried to refresh human by the fragrance of lavender. Art for human number 2. Anthropocene. Anthropocene is a critical term towards human centrism. You can think that Roth criticizes Anthropocene by getting help from lavender. We humans need to update the old-fashioned perspective as soon as possible. Art for human number 3. Future. Art is not a documentary, but imagination. Especially, art for human makes us think about the future. It's possible to say that the Lavender Field by Roth asks you a question. What future do you want? That's all for now. How did you like it? Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.